Finding a quality RC car for under $100 used to mean settling for cheap, toy-grade plastic. But in 2026, that's no longer the case. Today's entry-level market is packed with true hobby-grade models, offering modular parts you can repair and real proportional steering for better control and realism. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best RC cars under $100 for beginners in 2026. Perfect for anyone getting started or looking for serious performance on a budget. For more details about each product, you'll find links in the description below. Keep in mind, this isn't a full review, but a product showcase to help you discover the best options available. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Number 5. If you're looking for an affordable RC car that still delivers a true hobby-grade experience, the Axial SCX24 is one of the best options under $100. Unlike typical high-speed RC cars, this model is a micro-crawler, built for slow, technical driving over obstacles rather than racing. That makes it perfect for beginners who want a more engaging and skill-based experience. One of its biggest advantages is its compact size. You can easily turn your living room, couch, or even a stack of books into a challenging off-road course, making it ideal for indoor use. It also stands out with its realistic design. Featuring licensed Jeep and Ford bodies, it offers detailed scale looks that RC enthusiasts really appreciate. Out of the box, it's fully ready to run. It includes a Spectrum 2.4 GHz radio system, a LiPo battery with USB charger, and a durable body with easy access. No clips needed, and most importantly, it's highly upgradable. With a wide range of parts available, you can customize and improve it as your skills grow. If you prefer control, realism, and technical driving over pure speed, the SCX24 is the perfect way to start. Number 4. A rugged RC truck with a true monster truck feel, the Hosim 1-16 off-road truck delivers power, durability, and serious off-road capability. With its higher ground clearance, it easily handles grass, sand, and uneven terrain where other RC cars struggle. This makes it a great option for outdoor driving in more demanding environments. The oversized rubber tires provide excellent traction, giving you better control on loose surfaces like dirt or sand, while maintaining stability at high speeds. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor, it can reach speeds up to 60 km per hour, offering stronger performance, higher efficiency, and longer lifespan compared to traditional brushed motors. Built to last, it features metal oil-filled shock absorbers and reinforced components, allowing it to handle jumps, drifts, and rough use without losing performance. It also comes with 2 rechargeable LiPo batteries, giving you up to 40 minutes of combined playtime, so you can enjoy longer sessions without frequent charging. The 2.4 GHz remote control system ensures smooth, interference-free driving, and the dual speed mode makes it suitable for both beginners and more experienced users. If you want a fast, tough, and versatile RC truck that performs well on any terrain, this model is a solid option. Number 3. The Bezgar HM161 stands out as a true all-rounder for beginners. With its larger 1-16 scale, it feels more solid and realistic compared to smaller 1-18 models, giving you a better driving experience right from the start. It's built to handle different terrains while maintaining a strong, rugged design. One of its biggest advantages is the built-in speed switch on the remote. This allows you to reduce the power to 50%, making it much easier for beginners to learn steering and throttle control without constantly crashing. Performance-wise, it can reach speeds of over 40 km per hour, offering a great mix of control and excitement without being overwhelming for new users. Durability is also a key highlight. The reinforced internal drive shafts are designed to handle jumps and rough driving better than most budget RC cars in this category. It comes ready to run with 2 rechargeable batteries included. Number 2. If speed is what excites you, the MJX Hyper Go 16208 takes things to another level in the beginner RC category. This model stands out thanks to its powerful brushless motor, something rarely seen at this price range. Right out of the box, it can reach speeds of 40 to 60 kilometers per hour, delivering an adrenaline-filled driving experience that feels far beyond its cost. Despite its speed, it's built to handle tough conditions. The durable construction makes it perfect for bashing, jumping, crashing, and driving hard in your backyard or at the park without worrying too much about damage. One of its standout features is the oil-filled shock absorbers, which help keep the car stable over bumps, rough terrain, and high-speed runs. This gives you better control, even when pushing the limits. It also typically includes 2 rechargeable batteries, offering up to 40 minutes of combined runtime, so you can enjoy longer sessions without constant recharging. With its 4WD system and strong grip, it performs well on multiple surfaces, from dirt and gravel to grass. If you're a beginner who wants serious speed, durability, and a more advanced driving experience right from the start, the MJX Hyper Go 16208 is built to impress. Number 1. If you're looking for a powerful and durable RC monster truck that delivers real off-road performance, the DEERC 9309E is built to impress. Designed with a full metal drivetrain, including metal shocks, differential, and drive shafts, this truck is made to handle tough terrain like sand, mud, gravel, and grass without breaking a sweat. Powered by a high-torque 380 motor, it can reach speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour, giving you a fast and exciting driving experience. Combined with its 4WD system and waterproof electronics, you can confidently drive through puddles and rough environments. It also comes with 2 high-capacity batteries, offering up to 40 minutes of runtime, so you can enjoy longer sessions without interruptions. For added style and functionality, it features LED headlights for night driving and a rear wheelie bar that helps maintain stability during acceleration and stunts. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a fun, high-performance RC truck, this model offers a great balance of speed, strength, and versatility. And if you want to see it in action, make sure to watch the full review on the channel. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.